The best Christmas tree is one made out of French fries. Nom 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 nom. New menu item. KFC Christmas burger. Deck the halls with grease. Silent, holy night. No creature stirring except the rats and garbies. Pancake house is slammed. Well, on Christmas Day, it's the only place open. Left out some French fries. Santa must like fast food, right? That gut doesn't lie. If you fed reindeer MacDougalls for a year, they'd be too fat to fly. North Pole slave labor. When the elves collapse, they get ground into nuggets. Pizza Shack gift card? Wouldn't mind that for Christmas. Give the gift of grease. Craving something sweet? Grease up the holidays with candy cane churros. Christmas Eve takeout. Long Bob Sliver's fish platter. Soggy Yule tidings. As dumb as it sounds, I'd still rather have Zagbees than a Christmas ham.